All right, Sunday morning. Here we go. This is the future over there. 42 bags, 3,360 pounds of concrete mix. And here's the mixer. Rented it from a box store. You can probably tell which one. And it's all going right there. We got to build a little bit of a frame this morning first to keep the concrete from flowing over, because it's probably going to come out a little bit higher than this floor right here, which is fine. And we got to etch the sides where it's going to mesh up with this other concrete on the walls so that it bonds. Something I didn't do over there, and you can actually see if there's a crack, not a crack, but a space, a gap between the wall and the pad that we had done. Also going to fill this in. This was an old ash door that was wide open when we moved in. So every time the heat shut off in the winter, the chimney became basically a giant vacuum and would just suck cold air down into the basement right next to this water heater and right next to the furnace. So we had the chimney lined when we bought the place and had them cement that in, or concrete that in at the time, mortar it. And there's no reason to have that hole in the floor. There's just dirt under there. I dug it out, and it's another source of moisture. So we're going to close that off today and possibly get some footings built. That's what this tube is over here. I'm going to cut those into 12-inch lengths and place them around the basement where we're going to be replacing more of these posts. But that's what's going on. That's where we're at with the basement. Hopefully we can get all this done and get this situated. Still got some smells upstairs coming out of here last night. There's definitely something going on down here that you can't pinpoint. It's funny, when you're down here you don't notice it, but when you go upstairs and you get near one of the ducts, that you get the concentration of air coming out, and it's very noticeable at that point. So still problem solving. Out.